Do two more tunes for us then, British Birds. What are you going to do?
This one's called That Monster.
Great, go for it.